Hi everyone, today we are diving into NICE CXone, a leading cloud-based contact center solution. Whether you are managing a small team or large enterprise, this video will show you how to optimize your contact center operations using NICE CXone. Imagine running a customer support team during peak hours. Without intelligent routing and real-time monitoring, calls pile up, agents are overwhelmed, and service levels are dropped. With NICE CXone, you can dynamically route calls, monitor agent performance, and ensure seamless customer experiences. Before diving into configurations, let's understand the five pillars of NICE CXone: engage, evolve, enlighten, empower, and execute. Each plays a crucial role in delivering a seamless customer experience, such as handling omnichannel interactions, managing agent training and gamification, providing AI powered insights and analytics, enabling self service and automation, facilitating workflow automation across channels. Also, start by Enlighten to gain insights into your current performance before making changes. Efficient call routing ensures customer reach the right agent quickly, reducing wait times and improving satisfaction. To do that, go to the routing section under Engage. Create a new call flow using Visual Workflow Designer. Then set up IVR prompts, queue logic, and skill-based routing rules. Test the flow with sample scenarios to ensure smooth navigation. Effective workforce management helps balance staffing needs with customer demand, improving both agent morale and service levels. To manage agent schedules and performance, navigate to Workforce Management module. Input historical call data to generate accurate forecasts. Build shift templates and assign them to agents. Then monitor real-time adherence and adjust schedules as needed. Next, I'll tell you how to improve service with quality monitoring. Quality monitoring lets supervisors review agent interactions, provide feedback, and maintain compliance standards. To do that, access the quality monitoring section, select recorded calls or live sessions for evaluation, then use customizable scoring forms to assess agent performance. Share evaluations with your agents and track improvement over time. You can also set up automated evaluations using Enlighten AI to flag high risk interactions for review. Here are some advanced features that could speed up your workflow. Use Enlighten AI to automatically tag customer sentiment, detect trends, and suggest next best action. Create personalized learning paths in Evolve module based on individual performance gaps. Connect NICE CXone with Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, or other CRMs for seamless customer contacts. If routing isn't working as expected, double check your call flow logic and agent skill configuration. And remember, better customer experiences start with smarter tools. See you soon.